Welcome to the amazing world. Today,
Today we are going to study about how France abolished monarchy and became a republic. So, as learnt earlier, in September 1791, France had become a constitutional monarch. But the King Louis XVI was unhappy and wanted to regain power. So he entered into a secret negotiation with King of Croatia, Frederick William II, while the Emperor of Austria, Leopold II, the brother of Mary Antoinette, was ready to help him. Even other neighboring kingdoms were ready to send troops to help him regain power. In the meanwhile, the National Assembly, who was keeping a close watch on the monarch in April 1792, voted and declared war on Croatia and Austria. As a result, a war of the people against the king in, in Europe began. As a result of the war of the people against the wars and events that led to the abolishment of monarchy in France, large number of men joined the army. They sang the patriotic song Marseillaise, composed by Rose de Lisle, as they marched into Paris. This song later became the national anthem of France. During these revolutionary wars, men joined the army, while women, apart from caring, now had to fend for their living, worked in bakeries, laundries, markets, and as domestic servants. As a result, we see a rise of political clubs. Large sections of French population was unhappy with the Constitution of 1791 as they had given political rights only to the rich. It was these people who discussed on government policies in groups. One such group that came into existence was the Jacobins Club, a monastery at Saint Jacobins in Paris. The members of this were the less prosperous section of the society. They would meet and debate on the issues that concerned them. They were led by Maximilien Robespierre. It was not only men but also women who actively discussed and formed their own clubs. The Jacobin Club had few peculiarities. For example, they were known as the Sans Culottes. The members had a dress code of long striped trousers without knee breeches to show they opposed the nobles. The men wore red caps which symbolized liberty. Now the Jacobins planned an insurrection on 20th August 1792. They stormed the palace of Tuileries and massacred the king's guard, took the king as hostage. Later, the National Assembly voted to imprison the royal family. After on this day, they also decided that all men above 21 years of age got the right to vote regardless of wealth. Elections were held so that the head of the state would be selected from among them. All these events led to the formation of a new government. This newly elected government was called the Convention. On September 21st, 1792, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. The court accuses King Louis XVI of planning an invasion of France by Prussia and Austria and raised charges of treason and sentenced him to death. On 21st January 1793, he was executed publicly by guillotine. Queen Mary Antoinette too met the same fate later. So we see how France became a republic in 1792. Thank you and see you in the next video.